Good morning everyone. In a previous class we have learned about this concurrence and criteria of the concurrence of the triangles we have learned. I hope you all understood that. Today we are going to complete the exercise 13.2 and worksheet 1 and worksheet 2. Okay. The worksheet, first we have do the exercise problem, after complete the worksheet. Okay. Exercise 13.2, the third problem. Already given the first two problems as homework. So start from the third one. The figure ABCD is a rectangle. One of its diagonal divides it into two triangles. Is the triangle ABD is concurrent the triangle CDB? If yes, state the concurrent part. So which criteria is satisfied? See the diagram. A, B, C, D. Okay. The diagonals it into two triangles. Okay. Then to prove the triangle ABD is concurrent to the triangle CDB. CDB. If yes, state the concurrent part. If yes, state the concurrent part. See here, in a rectangle, if their length and breadth are equal, is it? If they are concurrent, the length and breadth are equal. So the opposite angles and opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal in rectangle. So AB, the line segment AB is equal to DC. At the same time, the breadth AD is equal to BC. Okay, and the DB is common for the both triangle. Okay, the side BD and DB are equal common for the both triangle ABD and CDA. In triangle ABD and the triangle CDB, the AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC and BD is equal to DB is common for the both triangle ABD and CDB. Okay, therefore the triangle ABD is concurrent to the triangle CDB since triple S concurrence. Which criteria is satisfied here? Triple S concurrence. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. So yes, concurrence. Okay. And fourth one. In the figure, AX bisects the angle BAC as well as the angle BDC. Is the triangle ABD is concurrent the triangle ACD? If yes, state the concurrent part. State the concurrent part. The diagram. So A, B, C, D. This is AX. Okay. In this figure, AX bisect the angle BAC. BAC. Okay. The line AX bisect the angle BAC. This one. The angle என்ன செய்யுதுமா bisect ஆகுது. So equally divide. Okay. As well as BDC. இந்த angle மட்டும் இல்ல இந்த angle என்னமா செய்யுது ஈக்குவலா டிவைட் பண்ணுது. ஓகே. Yes, the triangle is the triangle to prove the triangle ABD is congruent the triangle ACD. ACD. If yes, stay the concurrent part. First concurrent இந்த part கேட்டிருக்காங்க ABD and ACD concurrent, then say the concurrency of criteria. Okay, so here the first one, which are the places given? The two angles. So this angle, these angles are equal. So triangle CAD is equal to BAD. These two angles bisect equally. So each angles are equal. So the angle CAD is equal to BAD. And here in the side, BDA is equal to CDA are equal. Okay, these two angles are equal and the common side AD is common. Okay, so AD is common for the both triangle. Okay, so which are the triangles? In triangle ABD and the triangle ACG, the angle CAD and BAD are equal. These two angles are equal, and also BDA and CDA is also equal, and both triangle having a common base, common side AD. Okay, therefore the triangle ABD and the triangle ACD are concurrent. Concurrent since angle, side, angle. Okay, angle, side, angle, concurrence. Or concurrency. Okay, and next one, fifth one. In the figure, PL is perpendicular to OB and PM is perpendicular to OA such that PL is equal to PM. Yes, the triangle PLO is concurrent to the triangle PMO. Give the reasons in support of your answer. Okay, first we have draw the diagram. Fifth one, solution. The diagram. O P M A C B L. This is a given picture. Okay, so what are the statements are given? So PL is perpendicular to OB and PMS perpendicular to OM, OA. Okay. Such that PL is equal to PM. Is the triangle to prove? Reason only asking. Okay. So the given triangle, yes, the angle, the PLO. Okay. Yes, PLO is concurrent. The triangle PLO is concurrent to the triangle PMO. Is this concurrent? Yes, the triangle PLO and the triangle PMO are concurrent because the angle PLO is 90 degree and also PMO also 90 degree. Okay, and this is common for the both triangles. OP is a common for the both triangles. Okay, so both having the same value. So one angle is right angle, so it satisfies the criteria. Or HS, right angle hypotenuse side concurrency. Okay, here write the reason. Since or HS concurrence, here angle L is equal to angle M is equal to 90 degree. Okay, and already such that, okay, show that, not a show that, okay, such that these are all given. PL is perpendicular. Okay, PL, the distance are equal is given. Okay, so the side, right side, one common side and the right angle side, okay, are equal. So RHS concurrency is satisfied. That's it. And the sixth one, in the figure, the triangle ABC and the triangle DBC are on a same base BC. They give the to support your answers. Give some asking some questions. Okay, we'll see. The diagram. Okay, so BC is common for the both triangles. Okay, these two are equal. AB and DC are equal, and BD and AC also equal. Okay, which of the following statements is true? Give the reasons to support your answers. The first question is the triangle ABC is concurrent to the triangle DBC. What is that? The triangle ABC. This one of the triangle and the triangle DBC. Okay, here these two sides are equal. Which are the sides? AB and the sides are equal. Okay. So reasons. Give the reasons. How can you write the reason? Which of the following statement is true? Yes, it is true because so BA is equal to CD. Okay, the first one is completed. And B, the triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle DCB. DCB. ABC and the triangle DCB. So it is also the congruent. Yes, the given statement is true because AC, okay, AC is equal to BD. Okay, and C, the triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle CBD. The given statement is true. It is true because why this statement is true? BC is common. Okay, BC is common for the both triangle. Okay, now see the seventh one. In the figure, AD, he bisects the angle A and AD is perpendicular to the BC. Here also asking the two questions. Okay, seventh one solution. Here asking two questions, is it? So the first one, is the triangle ABD is congruent to the triangle ADC. The first question is the triangle ADB is congruent to the triangle ADC. Yes. ADB and ADC, since it has satisfied the RHS criteria. Okay, yes, the triangle ADB is congruent to the triangle ADC since RHS concurrence. Or concurrency. Okay, in second one of the question, state the condition of the concurrency. So second one asking, so first one is say yes or no only. Okay, so second one say the concurrency. Okay, concurrency is RHS. So here prove the angle BAD is equal to angle DAC. Angle BAD and DAC. Okay, or CAD is a correct concurrence. So it start from here to this one. So here on corresponding sides. Okay, right. And next one, the angle ADB is equal to ADC is equal to 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree, and AD is common for the both triangle. Okay, so AD is common Therefore, the triangle ADB is congruent to the triangle ADC since RHS congruence. Okay, right. And the eighth one, homework. Okay, you will try to complete the homework, very easiest one. Already we have completed this like one at the example problem. Okay, now move to the worksheet 1. Worksheet 1, the first four are homework. Okay, fourth one, state the condition of the congruence of triangles. So already you know that what are the concurrence of the triangles. Triple S concurrency, SAS concurrency, ASA concurrency, RHS concurrency. That is the answer for the fourth one. Okay, that's also homework. The first four is homework. Now move to the fifth one. Does a diagonal of a parallelogram, diagonal of a parallelogram divide the parallelogram into congruent triangles? Okay, one of the diagonal divide the parallelogram divide into two congruent triangles if S state the condition of the congruence. Okay, so first we have to draw the parallelogram. Okay, worksheet 1. Fifth is one solution. Draw the parallelogram. The diagonal divides into two congruent triangles. Okay, two congruent triangles we have considered A, B, C, D. Okay. So these two sides are equal. Okay, these two sides are equal and parallel. Okay, the diagonals common for the both triangle. Okay, just imagine it. This you have to fold these two. We get the congruent triangles. Each triangles coincide with each others. Is it? So, and that satisfy the three sides. Triple S congruency is satisfied. So how can I explain this? And can write as in triangle ABC is congruent. Okay, ABC is congruent to the ADC. The side AD is equal to BC, and then the side AB is equal to DC, and AC is common for the both triangle. Okay, therefore the triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle ADC since side congruency says satisfied. Okay, that's it. And sixth one, in the figure OA is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD are the right angles. AOB and triangle COD are congruent. If yes, state the condition of congruency. Okay. Worksheet 1, sixth problem. Worksheet 1, sixth problem. Solution. The diagram is given. A, B, C, D. Okay, these two are equal. These two sides are equal is given. Okay, or the triangles AOB and the triangle COD. AOB, this angle. Okay, and the triangle COD are concurrent. If yes, state the conditions of concurrency. Say the condition of concurrency. Okay, see, in a triangle AOB and the triangle DOC, is it? COD. The side DO, the line DO and the line segment OB are equal. And one more condition is AO is equal to CO. Okay, and the angle AOB is equal to angle COD, vertically opposite. Vertically opposite. Okay, therefore the triangle AOB is concurrent to the triangle COD. Since which criteria is satisfied? Side, angle, side. Okay, side, angle, side. So SAS concurrence. That's it. And next one, seventh one. In the figure, AB is equal to CD and AC is equal to BD. Prove that the angle A is equal to angle D. Okay, so in the figure A, B, C, D, okay, AB and DC are equal and BD and AC are equal. These are all given. So what are the data given? Given AB is equal to CD equal, and then AC is equal to BD. In triangle, to prove angle A is equal to angle D. What do we prove? Angle A is equal to angle D. So in triangle BAC and the triangle CDB, okay, BAC CDB, AB is equal to CD and AC is equal to BD. Then the angle BAC is equal to CDA are equal. Okay. Why? BC is a base. BC is common. BC is common for the both. Okay. Therefore, the angle A is equal to angle. Why do you say the angle A is equal to angle D? The BC, the base are same and other two sides also in equal in length. So, angle A is equal to angle D. Okay. Therefore, the triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle BDC. That's it. And next one, eighth one. In the figure, AD is equal to BC. The angle ADC is equal to angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. Prove that the triangle ADC is congruent to the triangle BCD. Eighth problem. Okay. The diagram. ABCD is right angle triangle. Okay, right. The figure, what are the data are given? AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. Okay, and next one of that, the angle ADC is equal to angle BCD equal to 90 degree. Okay, to prove the triangle ADC is congruent to the triangle BCD. Okay, a triangle ADC is congruent to the BCD. Okay, so one of the angle is 90 degree is given. Okay, the whole angle ACD is 90 degree is given. 90 degree is given. Okay, so one side is a common, one side is common. CD is common and one more sides are equal. Okay, from this data, in triangle ADC and the triangle BCD, AD is equal to CB. Okay, and then angle sides. Okay, angle side. CD is common. CD DC is common. Okay, and one angle is 90 degree. So side, angle, side. Okay, this is common for the both side, angle, side. Okay, side, angle, side. Therefore, the triangle ADC is congruent to the triangle BCD since side, angle, side congruence. And 9th one homework, 10th one. Okay, 9th one already you have to do the same model in the example. Okay, and 10th one, find the values of A and B in the following figure. Okay, one of the figure is given. B, D, E, C, A. This is 3A plus 20, here 4A plus 17, Here the distance is 2b plus 18 and BD distance is 4b plus 8. Find the values. See, these two are the concurrent triangles which are there in a triangle. ADB and the triangle AEC. Okay, the sides are equal. BA is equal to CA. Okay, and also BD is equal to EC. Now we have to find out the value of A and B. Okay, so you know that the line segment BA value is 3A plus 20 equal to CA value is 4A plus 17. Okay, so arrange the like variables. So 3A minus 4A is equal to 17 plus 20 come to this side minus 20. So you have subtract minus 3. Here subtract minus A. Minus minus will be cancelled. So A is equal to 3. And here BD value was 4B plus A. And EC value was 2B plus 18. Okay. So 4B, 2B come to this side minus 2B equal to 18 plus 18 come to this side minus 8. Okay, so 18 minus 8 is 10. Here 2B, so B is equal to 5. Thus the values of A is equal to 3, B is equal to 5. Okay, now move to the next one of the worksheet 2. Okay, then here also the first 3 are homework. Okay, now we will move to the 4 and 5. Sheet 2, fourth problem. The fourth problem. In the figure, XYZ is a triangle with O as a midpoint of YZ. YZ is O is a midpoint of YZ, and then OP perpendicular to XY. OP is perpendicular to XY and OQ is perpendicular to XZ. Also, OP and OQ are equal. To prove XYZ is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay. So in a triangle, clearly we have observed this is these two are the concurrent triangles. Is it? The triangle YOX and ZOX are the concurrent triangles. Okay, and OP and OQ are equal distance, and YO and OZ also equal distance. So that is a O is a midpoint. Okay, so point O to draw the perpendicular bisector of the line XY. So it's equally divided. So the distance also equal. Okay, the perpendicular because they both having the concurrent triangles. Concurrent triangles. These two sides are equal. It's one of the angle is 90 degree. So the other one of the side is common for the both triangle. Okay. So the yp plus px is equal to xy is equal distance, and this side and xz also equal. Okay, so let's see the triangle PYO. PYO. First we have considered this triangle and this triangle. Okay, is concurrent to the triangle QOQZO. Okay, right. So here PY and YZQ. Okay, PY is equal to QZ. PY and QZ are height as concurrents. Okay, so one of the angle is 90 degree. Two sides are equal. Okay, so it's R height as concurrents. And next one, similarly, we have considered this one. Okay, the triangle OPX. First we have considered this one. Okay, so OPX is equal to the concurrent to the triangle OQX. Here which other sides are common? PO. Okay, PX. Here PY, here PX and XQ. Okay, PX is equal to QX are equal. Here also we have applied the RHS concurrence. Okay, now we have add these two values. So PY plus PX equal to PY first we have, right? So QZ plus QX. So these two add, we get the whole part of YXY and ZX. XY, XZ, XY, XZ. Okay, therefore these two sides are equal. Therefore XYZ is a isosceles triangle. It's triangle. That's it. And next one, fifth one. In a figure, the triangle XYZ is concurrent to the triangle PQR such that XY is equal to PQ and XZ is equal to PR. YZ is equal to QR. Find AB. So the given data are the triangle XYZ is concurrent. The triangle PQR. Okay. XYZ PQR 2A plus 35 degree, here 50 degree. These two sides are equal, these two sides are equal, these two sides are equal. So angle A plus 60 degree, B plus 10 degree, B plus 10 degree. Okay, Here all the sides are in equal length, so it has a concurrent, clearly given concurrent. You have to find out the value of A and B values. Okay, so sides are equal, so angles also equal. Okay, so equating the angle Y is equal to angle Q. So angle Y value is 2A plus 35 degree is equal to, in triangle XYZ and the triangle PQR, angle Y is equal to angle Q. So equate this to this one, A plus 60 degree. So arrange the like variables. So 2A minus A is equal to 60 minus 35 degree is 25 degree. So A is equal to 25 degree. So as well as the angle Z and R also equal. So angle Z is 50 degree is equal to B plus 10 degree. So B is equal to 50 degree minus 10 degree, that is 40 degree. So B is equal to 40 degree. So remaining problems are homework. Okay, this chapter is completed. Okay, in this chapter what we learn? We have learned about the concurrence. Concurrence means two objects that has identically same shape and same size. It's called the concurrence. Okay, and then we have see some geometrical concurrence shapes, line segment, is it, angle. So what is the condition of the line segment of the concurrence? A concurrence of the line segments having the same length. Okay, same length. Angle means measure of the angles are equal. And then concurrence of the triangles. Concurrence of the triangles having the 6 elements. Okay, having the same side and same angles corresponding to the another one of the triangle. Then it's called, then the given two triangles are called the concurrence of the triangles. Okay, and then we have learned the equilateral triangle, is it? Equilateral triangle, all the angles and all the sides are equal. Okay, and then we have learned the concurrence of the quadrilateral and concurrence of the square, concurrence of the rectangle and concurrence of the circle. Concurrence of the square means any one of the sides of the corresponding sides of the another one of the triangles are equal. Okay, and then concurrence of the triangle, any one of the triangle having the length and breadth are equal to the another one of the triangle. Okay, and then concurrence of the circle means radius of the circles are equal. Radius of the circles are each together, then it is called the concurrence of the circle. Okay, and then we have see the 4 types of concurrence of the triangle: triple S, SAS, ASA and RHS, right angle hypotenuse side. And then that's all. We have learned this concept in this chapter. This chapter is completed. I hope you all understood this concept. If you have any doubt, you can ask a doubt to me. Okay, I will write the homework. Homework exercise 13.2. Eighth one only. Okay, worksheet 1. One, 2, 4 and 9 only. Okay, worksheet 2. 1 to 4. 6 to 10. 6 to 10. All the types of problems like as the worksheet 1 and exercise 13.2 only. Okay. So try to complete. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt. Okay. Thank you, students.